In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell stock on TradingView in 2025. First, we begin by navigating to TradingView's website. This platform is a robust tool not only for analyzing stocks, but also for the actual buying and selling of shares. Make sure you've created and logged into your TradingView account, as this step is essential for accessing the full range of features. Once you're on the main page of TradingView, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the plus sign in the interface. This symbol is not just a mere addition icon, it's your gateway to exploring numerous stock trading options. It usually sits conveniently in the toolbars, ready to assist you in diversifying and managing your portfolio, so open that up to reveal a menu. After clicking on the plus sign, you will want to direct your attention to the option labeled Stocks. This is your entry point into the world of stock trading. Clicking on this reveals a diversified spectrum of investment opportunities. Whether your focus is on technology, healthcare, finance, or any other sector, the stocks section has something for every investor's appetite and risk profile. Now, with the stock options displayed before you, your task is to choose which stocks you want to trade. This process involves a bit of research and understanding of the market. Be sure to analyze current trends, historical data, and any relevant news that could affect your selections. Once you've decided on your stocks, let's move to the next step. With your stocks chosen, it's time to return to that familiar plus sign. Clicking it again will cement your choices and prepare the trading setup, adding another layer to your trading toolkit. Every click on this plus sign can transform your trading landscape, providing you with more comprehensive data insights and increasing your market foresight. Now, you'll have the opportunity to click on the specific stocks you've selected. This is the moment when your previous decision-making meets actionable insight. Selecting the stocks will redirect you to a more detailed view where you can get in-depth information, charts, analysis, and forecasts, setting the stage for well-informed trading decisions. To gain the fullest perspective, you should click on the full chart option. This feature allows access to an expanded view of each stock, showcasing intricate details such as price trends, volumes, and technical indicators. This full chart option is an investor's best friend, providing deep analysis capabilities that inform buying and selling strategies. Once you've familiarized yourself with all this information,